Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, your girl Justina Online. If you're new to the channel, our channel, click the subscribe button down below. Subscribe, join the family, join the gang, we are lit. So guys, I want to officially start this vlog here. This is my last week at home and I'm very happy because maybe I want to vlog now, but my grandma, my auntie and my mom, you guys can hear their voice, they're talking in the parlor. And my house is not really that big. It's not even big. So if you're in the room, you must hear them. If you want to close the door, you must hear them. I don't know if I will do a house tour, like a house tour where I was staying, like my house right now, before I move. I'll figure it out. I'll try to, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Why I don't really vlog much as I want to at home. So guys, I washed my clothes in the morning. I have to shout so you guys will hear me, and this is the only time I have to film this video because after now I have to make dinner. So I washed my clothes in the morning and they're all dried, so I'm about to pack them now inside my box. I already washed some stuff I bought, like cooking utensils, the one I already bought. I washed them, that one I'll pack them in 9 minutes. So let's just get into the packing because this sound you're hearing is annoying. Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday when I got to the house, I was really tired. I couldn't even vlog. I just slept off and woke up this morning. So I'm ready to leave for the market again. Today we're buying cooking utensils. I'm getting my cowries and just accessories for my cowries. And also we're going to church and I'm with my mom. I'm with my mom, so see ya.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. Every time I see a glimpse of your good side, I start wondering how I could make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.